Want to turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers? Creating engaging YouTube playlists is a powerful way to keep people watching and coming back for more. Start by grouping your videos into themes or topics that naturally flow together. For example, if you have tutorials, arrange them in a step-by-step order. This helps viewers easily navigate your content and encourages them to watch multiple videos in one sitting. Don't just toss videos into a playlist, craft an experience. Give each playlist a compelling title and a clear, concise description that tells viewers what they'll learn or enjoy. Arrange the videos in a logical order so the journey makes sense. Use playlists on your channel homepage to highlight your best series, popular uploads, or must-see content. This not only looks professional, but also guides new visitors to binge-watch your videos. Remember, playlists can appear in YouTube search results, so optimize them with keywords relevant to your niche. Ready to organize your channel for maximum impact? Start building strategic playlists today. And don't forget to subscribe for more creator tips.